Next month, online applications will begin for admissions to kindergarten next year through a website managed by the Ministry of Education and the Korea Education and Research Information Service.
내년도 국내 국공 사립 유치원의 온라인 입학 절차가 교육부와 한국교육학술정보원이 운영하는 웹사이트를 통해 다음 달부터 시작됩니다. 자, 그럼 이 얘기를 좀 해볼게요. 이게 처음 학교로 라고 하는 웹사이트죠.
Yes, so it's going to be interesting to see whether this will make things easier or perhaps complicated if you're not technically proficient. What you're going to be able to do is if you want to send your kids to kindergarten, you can register your child's information and you can apply for up to 3 kindergartens of your choice. And there are 2 different categories. There's priority and general. So priority recruitment is for statutory low-income families, national veterans, children from North Korean refugee families, and that's going to take place from the 1st to the 3rd of November next month.
Right.
And then the general recruitment for everyone else who has a kid who wants to go to kindergarten is from the 15th or the 16th in provincial areas to the 21st. You've got to be careful about which kindergartens you select because overlapping options are limited. And if you're selected from the first option, you'll be excluded from the second lottery, as it were. And if you're selected from the second lottery, you'll be excluded from the third, and so on and so forth. And the good news is you can do it from your PC or you can do it from your smartphone. So it's going to hopefully make things a lot easier.
Yeah, absolutely. 이 처음 학교로라는 사이트가요. 이제 유치원 원서 접수부터 시작해서 선발, 등록까지 이렇게 제반에 걸친 그런 입학 절차를 원스톱으로 할 수 있는 사이트라고 하고요. 11월 1일부터 이제 이용을 할 수 있는데 맨 처음에는 이제 우선 모집 대상 한번 확인해 보시면 되겠습니다. 그게 이제 11월 1일부터 3일까지 접수를 받고 그다음에 일반 모집은 11월 중순부터 15일부터 21일까지라고 하네요. Alright, so let's have a look at the expressions. We're looking at online applications.
If you do something online, you're not doing it offline, you're not doing it in person, you're doing it on the internet. You're going to a website on your computer or your phone or your tablet. And an application is when you apply for something. You apply for a job, you fill in a job application. You apply for a place in a school, you fill in an application to be a student. This is the general term we use whenever we want to do something or be something and there's a form we have to fill in.
application, 신청서가 될 수도 있고요. 신청하는 것이 될 수도 있습니다. 자, 그다음에 to be managed by someone.
Yes, or something. It can be a group, it can be a person, it can be the government in this case. It means it's organized by. So you have, for example, that some of the tourist websites for Korea are managed by the Korean Tourist Organization, meaning they control it, they run it, they organize it. Moningspecial is managed by our producer, who arranges everything, who contacts everyone and makes sure the show runs smoothly.
Yes, and what's your example sentence?
Sue and Paul have formed a new K-pop group. They are managed by Pengsu Entertainment.
네, 수와 폴이 한 K-pop 그룹을 결성하게 됐는데 이 매니지먼트 운영과 관리를 맡고 있는 게 팽수 엔터테인먼트다. 사실이었으면 좋겠네요.
We're called Soup. Sue and Paul, Soup.
알겠습니다. soup. 자, 다시 한번 헤드라인 읽어보겠습니다. Starting next month, online applications will begin for admissions to kindergarten next year through a website managed by the Ministry of Education and the Korea Education and Research Information Service.